In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone Lovable 2025 step by step. If you've ever wanted to try a new idea without risking your live work, cloning a project is the safest and fastest way to do it. In Lovable, this process is called Remix, and it gives you a complete copy of your project inside the same workspace so you can experiment freely while the original remains untouched. Before we begin, make sure you're in the correct workspace where the project lives and that you have permission to access it. Cloning happens inside your current workspace, so confirming that upfront helps you avoid confusion later. Also, have in mind which project you want to duplicate, especially if you manage multiple similar projects. Start by opening the project you want to copy. Launching the project first ensures that Lovable knows exactly which set of pages, components, and configurations you intend to duplicate. Give the project a moment to fully load so all settings are available. Next, head to Project Settings. This is where Lovable stores controls that affect the entire project, including ownership, integrations, and the option to clone. You'll usually find project settings in the main navigation or the project's top menu. If you don't see it, check for a gear icon or a settings link within the project dashboard. Inside project settings, choose the Remix option. Remix is Lovable's built-in cloning feature. When you select it, Lovable takes a snapshot of the project as it exists right now, layouts, components, logic, and other configured elements, and prepares a new copy. This action does not change your original project, and it doesn't publish anything automatically. It simply sets up a safe duplicate so you can iterate without worry. Once Remix completes, an exact copy of the project will appear in your current workspace. You'll now have two separate projects, the original and the duplicate. From here, you can explore changes, try design updates, refactor logic, or test new integrations without impacting production. If your workspace has naming conventions, consider updating the clone project's title so it's clear which version is your testbed. It's also a good idea to review project-level settings in the duplicate, especially any integrations or environment-specific configurations, to make sure they align with how you plan to use the clone. And that's it. You opened the project, went to Project Settings, selected Remix, and Lovable created an exact copy in the same workspace. Use this clone as your playground for experimentation, knowing your original project remains stable and intact.